Hi and welcome back to Focal Point Trading. So nice of you to join me. If you're joining me for the first time, do consider subscribing as I do share my thoughts, my trading experiences, challenges that I'm facing, um, goals that I've set out for myself, and yeah, just basically the ups and downs of becoming a full-time trader. Hopefully one day, that is the ultimate goal, to quit my 9 to 5 and to do the trading and investing alongside other things which I would like to accomplish in a private capacity. If you are joining me for the second month of my trading journey, because this is my second week's update for my electronic journal, then thank you for your continued support. A warm welcome to you as well. As you know, this is February, and this is week 2. Still struggling a bit with drawdown, and the bot is still struggling to find its feet, believe it or not. And there are some adjustments that I will be making. Now I think, okay, I've made some adjustments already. What can I possibly still do? Okay, so believe it or not, but a bot can actually also be induced. So on demo, you let the bot trade. You don't feel the losses. You don't feel the emotions attached to the bot losing trades when it's demo, and you just let the bot trade, right, to see how it performs regardless of news. When it comes to your live account, doesn't matter the account size, then you do feel it in terms of your P&L. And what I've decided, because I've seen that the bot will take trades and the market reverses, I am implementing a no trade policy during high impact news events. That would mean I would close out any trades that are in profit or loss when it's high impact news that directly impacts that currency pair. So if for example GBP USD, if there's any news coming out either for GBP or for USD, then any trades open I would look to close manually. If there's no trades open, I would disable the bot up until the news event has passed, right? So maybe then 5 minutes after the volatility or so. I don't want the bot to take trades on the initial spikes of the news, right? So I can activate it again, and which I am actually doing, which I've started to implement, is to activate the bot once the news event has passed, right? And also not trading in consolidation markets. Those are two things, excuse me, those are two things that I never do. I don't take a trade prior to a news event because I don't trade the news specifically, don't scalp the news. And the other thing is not to trade when I can see the market is busy consolidating. So I don't want the bot to trade during those times, those high volatility times, because that's when news gets used to manipulate price, and I don't want to expose my portfolio to that market environment. So those are the two implemented changes. Going forward, I will keep you updated for any other changes or things that I would like to implement. So let me show you what happened last week and what the account balance is at the time of the recording. Let's go. Right, just a few things I want to point out. XM Global Real Account, Omega Trend E that I'm busy using. My details are on display for full transparency. Account balance at the time of the recording. Lot sizes, risk that's being used is 1%, and trading lots is 0.01. Signal 2 is disabled. And so this is basically a recap of last week up until today, when the recording was done, the 18th. You can see there's not much activity, not a lot of trades that took place, and the market opened on the 17th. You'll see there was a sell triggered, and then that one was closed in profit. As it did the retracement, I just got out because that was Friday into Monday. So I didn't want to risk the market moving against the setup and then going my way, so I just closed it out in profit. And on GBP USD, you can see there was also a sell, and that was based on news events, right? So the bot was induced to take a trade, it was taken out at stop loss, and the market opened there on top, there but close to the double top, the 17th, and basically the move high towards a double top. There were no trades taken at the time either. In terms of trades that were taken for the month as far, trades from the 3rd of the 2nd 2025. So far the bot has made a recovery of $9.73. Overall the account is at 131.43, and the starting balance was at 150. So overall still making a recovery, still working towards getting back to break even. I will not be upping the risk. Like I've pointed out, what changes I'm trying to implement in terms of managing the portfolio, and not over risking or over leveraging on the account. So I'm just letting the bot trade and manage the risk accordingly. This is my update for week 2 and leading up to the current week. So that is it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Let's see if we can get back to break even as the week progresses. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do share the channel where you can, and I appreciate your continued support. So I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.